Hi guys, I'm April from If Only April. Welcome to Hometalk.
To make this project, you'll need a vase. I found mine in Goodwill, but you can use any vase that you have. To mix my colors, I really like to use the empty yogurt containers, so that's what we're gonna do. I like this yellow, but it's a bit too moody, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to make it a bit lighter. And yeah, so we're just gonna mix it up with white. That's a nice color. This is so much softer and yeah. Okay, let's do the same thing with blue, because this blue is also a very nice color, but it's also a bit moody. And we're gonna mix it up. Okay, now we're gonna take our vase. Remember, don't forget to clean it and wipe it dry, so it's very clean. Then we're gonna take the sponge, and here comes the fun part. You take the sponge and with one side you dip it into the yellow, and then you start applying it on the vase. Okay, so here comes the fun part. You move the sponge from this side and you start using the opposite side with your blue, and you start working from the bottom. Because now we're gonna blend these colors together. And how we're gonna do it? We're gonna start with the darker color. So you see over here where we have the blue line, which is gonna dip into yellow. But you see, we're gonna take the middle of the sponge, we're gonna dip it into yellow. And then we're gonna start blending in. And it's very important to remember that you want the paint to be still wet when you're doing this, so it's gonna blend in better. And yeah, and then you just go like this. You start blending in the edges. If you overdid it, you can always go back. You see with the side that you have the blue on, if you messed it up on this side, wait. Okay, so you see I messed up on this side. What I do, I just take yellow from the side of the yellow sponge and then I cover it. Okay, and then we can continue blending in. And then leave it to dry. And the most important part, do not touch it when it's drying, because if you're gonna start messing up with that, so you can ruin this blended effect, you know? Just leave it be for now. And when your vase is dry, you can use the protective finish. I'm using polyacrylic protective finish from Minwax. It's water-based and it's clear matte.